This is the dating game. Have a team up to 3 players. Once you kill him, tag him, and he's yours. Up to 4, my bad, 4 teams. A team of 4. You guys ready? Ready? All right, game starts in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, hit. Got Corey around the corner over here. Let's go this way. No, I'm on your, yeah, they can take me away if they shoot me again. I get down on my knee again. Neil! Go around that side, go. We got 3 people. We need 1 more. Let's fall back to our team, guy. Our team. Yo, Ricardo, where you at? Ricardo, where you at? I got him. All right, let's go Glades. One, get up in the boathouse. Go. Ricardo, where you at? Ricardo, where you at, man? Got a visual? Psst, psst. Dylan, pop your head out that and cover me. Pop your head out that door and cover. He's hit. Neil. All right, full team of 4. Yep.
You got back there. Go now. Go. I got you.
Oh, fuck.
Yes.
Switch teams.
Chris is out, bro.
You out? Alright, I got 3 on my team. I had a full team of 4. There's one in the glades over there. Ricardo's over here. And I don't know where Dylan was up in the house over there. I don't know where he went. His mag's fucked up. Let's move out this way. Whoa. Got him. Neil. Not anymore. He shot me and got me. Not anymore. Team switched up in this game, dude. No longer on your team. Team of 3. It's 3-on-3 right now. Or 3-on-2, I mean. You're hit, Ricardo? You were hit? Yeah. I think that's game. It's us 4 versus him. And he's hit. It's game. It's game. Dude, it fucking counter, like he came around the corner. He came around the corner and popped me. I had to kneel and he tagged me. I'm on his team now.
What about this kid?
It was his reflex.